Hello guys! Check na natin yung shirataki rice na binabad natin kanina. Tingnan nga. Oh my God. Luto na ba to? Tika nga. Nah. Ba't po matubig pa siya? Madami pa siyang tubig. Nasobrahan ko sa tubig. Bakit kaya ganito yung shirataki rice, no? Bakit siya? Ba't siya naluluto agad? Anong gawa ko? Rice flour, oligopeptides of marine fish, inulin. Yes. Ginawa na siyang harina. Shirataki rice is made from an Asian plant, Amorphophallus konjac, aka konjac plant, konjac yam or elephant yam. Its tubers are dried and ground to make flour. This flour has been used for centuries to make noodles, tofu, and snacks, as well as traditional Chinese medicine in Asia. Konjac flour, rice flour, oligopeptides of marine fish. Inulin, yes. Dietary fiber 2%. Total fat 0, saturated fat 0, sodium 0, total carbohydrate 2%, dietary fiber 2%, protein 0.6 grams. Basa pa kunti. Kagat.